Kristin Ess hashtag Rose Goals kit. It is a temporary in-shower toner for your hair, and it has cute little bobby pins. What I did, I put it on my clean, dry hair. So I didn't need to shampoo it. I just put it on my hair when it was dry because I wanted it to soak up as much as possible. And these are the results. I'd say they're pretty dang cute. Pink hair don't care. So yeah, I am gonna check this out. I'm super excited to use it. See these super cute, super sparkly celestial bobby pins. Ooh, oh my god, they're so pretty. Here it is, Kristin Ess Rose Gold Temporary Tint. For pre-lightened or highlighted blonde hair, temporary toning, instant blush color in shower application. So yeah, I think that is pretty neat that you can apply it in the shower and just like spray it on and go. It says to put it on shampooed hair that is either wet in the shower for a lighter look or towel dried for a stronger look. I'm going to put it on dry hair because I want it to be as bright as possible. I want to see how bright it can get. It comes in a can like this, like an aerosol can. And you just like break the seal. Ooh. Oh, and it smells super good. So, I mean, yeah, definitely do it in the shower so you don't make a big mess. 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse. I might leave it on for more than 1 to 2 minutes. I should really be doing this in the bathroom, but I just want to see. Oh! Definitely do this in the shower or bathroom. But you can already see it's pink. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to go spray this all over the rest of my dry hair. Here we go. Everybody, it feels so good. I feel like my hair is like the perfect rose gold kind of like low-key tone. Hashtag rose goals, Kristin Ess. Because I want to use these cute sparkly little they have little crystals in them. They're so sparkly and they are like so cute. I'm gonna put them in my hair. These everywhere. I found it and it was called the Spin Pin and it's by Goody, but they have them everywhere. Just look up like corkscrew bobby pin. I just threw it. Oh gosh, now everything's falling on the ground.